Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you have been here with us, you may have noticed that we haven't uploaded in a few weeks. We just, to be completely honest, haven't been in a great headspace. This is the most intense project we've ever done. It is physically, mentally, emotionally draining. So in the name of just full transparency, wanted to keep you guys like updated with where we're at. And just a reminder to always prioritize your mental health. I started seeing a therapist, which I've been doing that weekly, so that has been helpful, just to like talk to someone other than Seth and the cats. And yes, I did get bangs. I'm not sure how I feel about them. Anyways, we've got some exciting projects lined up on the build for you all. We got through the bulk of the really nitty-gritty, so now we can kind of, I don't know, start to make some really fun visual progress. So we're excited to take you through that. Let's hop into it. Repping our faves over at Van Life Outfitters. We're doing some painting today.
Hello soldiers, welcome back. Let's make some coffee.
Where were you?
Hobby Lobby on a Saturday. Oh yeah, man.
This is the most van life thing right here. Wait, let me see the freezer.
Ugh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Beautiful.
Excellent meal.
This guy's sharpening his pencils before a long, hard work day. And there are 4 here, for the record. 4.
I say 2 by the end of the day.
Go, 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 go!
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Isn't that a good bundle right there?
It's an excellent bundle.
Look at that.
Wow,
Have
ladies.
you ever seen a better bundle than that? Ladies, you want to give us a tour of the van? What?
Ladies, you got so much work done. Oh my god.
Ladies have been working overnight on the van. They got so much done. Scarlett's gonna give us a tour.
I'm sorry about my bangs.
We got Friar Tuck out here. Friar Tuck, show me your bangs. Give us a tour.
Well, welcome to the van. It's been a few weeks, but like I said, the majority of that has been spent on the electrical system, and that kind of all lives under these benches. So you will see that in the van tour. But beyond the electrical, we also got our countertops done. We remade these countertops like probably 5 times. We have these bed boxes, these curved bed boxes in, which are very fun. They add a little just, you know, element to this back of the space, especially since we don't have windows back here. Just a visual element. And the cool thing about these is Seth won't have to curl up like a little tiny baby. I think the side to side width is about like 6'1", 6'2", and that is because we aren't a ProMaster, and that is one of the reasons we went with the ProMaster this time around over the Sprinter. Seth is very tall, I'm on the taller end.
One of our primary goals for this van is also to keep it pretty stealthy.
Yeah.
So flares really ruin that and kind of eliminate that stealth factor. We decided not to do them on our Sprinter for this same exact reason.
That, to summarize the past few weeks of our lives, that's what we have done. And I don't know. We just really needed to make progress in order to feel like we could even show our faces on camera.
Yeah.
So here we are, but we are excited to finally see the space start coming together.
I think today though, what are we doing in this video? We're just finishing out these walls, right? So this big curve, which is a curve by the way, I don't know, it's hard to tell.
And there will be a shelf here. We're gonna do a shelf, some plants and things.
One other area we've been working on, wow, the light of Papa.
We had this idea like midway through this build to do a screen door here.
Which I wouldn't recommend trying to do it halfway through the build. But
it's sick.
It's awesome.
We're really excited about it, specifically because we do have cats.
I don't trust you.
No, she is
Actually, she's good.
She is the trustworthy one. Lula is super trustworthy because she's a van life veteran. However, Sasha We've only had for about 6 months. We went on a camping trip recently and she sprinted out of the van multiple times, and she's kind of dumb. So she won't come back and she won't find her way back. Whereas this one, she knows the sound of the van. She knows the look of the van, but
yeah, fire vibes. We gotta get to work, eh?
yeah. Okay, so right now we're getting a feel for the cushion covers. Well, the cushions, because Seth is going to make the cushion covers. And I think he'll be making a Patreon video on how we actually make our own cushion covers. They are very expensive if you have them made. So if you would like to see that video, we'll leave our link to our Patreon below. Also, we will be uploading the full SketchUp file for the layout of this van on Patreon as well. So if you're interested in that, again, that's linked below, and it's $5 a month. So this is more along the lines of what it will look like when it is in couch mode. Very exciting.
Yeah, it looks sick.
It does look good.
That's big.
Wow, yeah, it is very large. Oh yeah. I see that Sasha left me a nice present in my paint tray. Thank you for that.
If you missed it, we're actually moving out of this warehouse as we finish this van, which is why everything is like pure chaos right now. We're like breaking down tables and breaking down like plywood storage and stuff as we get closer to the end of this build. So that's why we live in filth, but the ladies love it, to be honest.
Are you trash cats? Are you laughing at me?
She said, "Let me get that fryer tuck, please."
Okay, so I just got the walls painted. The reason I didn't paint that portion right there is because that's actually where the backsplash is gonna go, so there's really no need to waste materials. But this is 2 coats of paint, but obviously you can tell the difference between the Roman clay with the sealer and the paint. This is just a lot flatter, less dimensional. So I am very excited to get this Roman clay in here and see how this is looking. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, okay, that is 1 coat of Roman clay. So we got to do that all over again and then go in with the sealer, 2 coats of that. Okay, good morning everyone. The camera actually died on us yesterday, so I didn't kind of show you what we got done, but we got this entire wall done. Seth came in and sealed it off. And we still have this one left to do. It is painted, so I'll save myself some time today. We did actually get out of the shop a little bit yesterday. We left around like 8 p.m., went to a little brewery. It was honestly so nice. I think for the past 2 months straight, we've been sleeping in the parking lot of the shop. So literally like every morning, we just like come in here and start our day.
Come here. Right here. Rub it.
Oh my god. That is not normal.
Come on.
I can't get over this.
Right here. All right, y'all. That's going to be it. Baby's tired. She's ready to clock out for the day. We'll see you next Friday. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.